Today in this short video, we're going to look at one thing, the innovative way Ultimaker has packaged its S5 printer. Back when I filmed the unboxing of the Ultimaker 3, as well as the unboxing for a variety of other 3D printers, there's always this period of time where you're opening up the top of the box, you're peeling back the tape, and you have to take the printer out. And usually what I wind up doing is tipping the box over on its side and sliding the printer out. And invariably there's some padding or something and the printer goes cut. Or you pick it up from the ground and you're trying to get some kind of balance on it and you're not entirely sure whether or not when you're lifting the thing you're going to lift a part off of it or something like that. This is generally how 3D printers have been shipped, but not this one. What I want to show you are these interesting little tabs down here. Rather than unboxing the printer from the top, I'm going to open it from the bottom. Now I've already done this on the other side, but what I'm going to do is simply pop this out, this plastic wedge. And if you can see over here, there's just cardboard, but here there's a connected wedge that is actually really interesting. When open, it pops out. And I'll try to give you a close-up of it, but when it's closed, this is locked. So this mechanism locks this behind here. It's kind of like a bolt in drywall, and it comes in and it locks. So take the other one out, I should be able to just lift this out. I should be able to just lift this up from its handles. So let's put this in context. When it comes to product design, one of the overlooked areas is often packaging innovation in terms of shipping packaging, not display packaging. And yet it can be so important as part of both the customer experience and the supply chain. When I spoke about this with Ultimaker, Paul Hayden, Senior VP of Product Management at Ultimaker, said this new way of packaging is more ergonomic and convenient for our customers, allowing them to easily take the cover off to reveal the Ultimaker S5 versus lifting the printer, our largest yet, out of a deep box. And I think this kind of innovation is what we look at as we move forward, not just the technology, but how the technology is delivered. Okay, so I've got the S5 moved into the Fab Lab, and as you can see, it's considerably bigger than the Ultimaker 3. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this thing set up and integrated into the lab, and then we're going to print a pile of interesting stuff. ColorFab was nice enough to provide a giant box of filament so that we can print using this very large printer some very large prints, including a large Star Trek Discovery starship in its copper color. So stay tuned. And with that, I'm David Gewirtz for ZDNet's DIY IT. Go build something great. Bye-bye now.